While I built this range hood. Just real quick to kind of close out the video, if you had any questions as far as the sizing of it, it's 32.5 wide by 20.5 deep, and then this top slant is 27.5 deep to this top portion right here. So that gives you kind of some idea of the dimensions of it. They're all a little bit different, so you have to build them to whatever the range hood is that you get, or whatever the cabinet opening is. Usually 30 inches is your standard range opening, but again, it can vary from upper cabinets side to side. So this is how I built this one. I think it came out pretty cool. As far as, I did not exit or vent it out the roof, so it's on recirculation. So on this top slant, I actually left a little bit of a gap to the shiplap in the back, so that way it has area to move the air up through it. So it just has the filter screens underneath on the bottom side. And also, this unit is a Kobe unit. You can find them different places. I found it in an Amazon Overstock store. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll drop it in a link down below. I think they're around $300 to $350. So we appreciate you hanging out with us. Hopefully you like these videos. You know, if you do like these videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment on the video. So we appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care and have a good day.